National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Fulton County, west central Tazewell County, north central Mason County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Havana, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Fulton, west central Tazewell, and north central Mason counties, including the following locations: Liverpool, Little America, Goofy Ridge, and Chautauqua Park.